Let's learn dog commands in Irish. With me, Siobhan or Siobhan, ó Bitesize Irish. Labhair le do mhadra as Gaeilge. Speak to your dog in Irish. That's the aim of this video. Not only will you be able to speak to your dog in Irish after this video, but you'll also be able to speak to any other pet you may have. And you might even find some of the phrases useful for some of the humans in your life. So let's start off with a simple "come here." Now there are a few ways to say this in Irish, depending on dialect. Now some of these phrases you might find two of them in the one dialect, but let's just narrow it down a bit. So in Connacht Irish you might hear, slowly said, "Go ile." Go ile. Quickly said as Gaeilge. Gaeilge. Go ile. Go ile. Gaeilge. Gaeilge. In Munster Irish you might hear tar an seo. Tar an seo. And in Ulster Irish you may well hear gutche. Gutche. Now let's move on to some more phrases. Stay, fun. Fun. Fitch, pheataí. Pheataí. You might be more familiar with phi being pronounced as feig, as is common in Munster Irish. Feige. Now let's learn how to say good boy and good girl. Good boy is mhadraí. Slowly, ma an búchal. But as you can hear, usually it's said with the N dropped in on. Mhadraí. Good girl is mhacáilín. Ma an cáilín. Again, the N is usually dropped. Mhacáilín. Sit down. See she's. See she's. Stand up. Shesus. Shesus. Lie down. Lee shees. Lee shees. Paw. Lappa. Lappa. Leave it. Fáge. Fág-é. Fáge. Get down or get off. She's let. She's let. Up you go. Sue's let. Sue's let. Heel. Sna sála hugum. Sna sála hugum. You might be more familiar with hugum being pronounced as whom. Sna sála whom. Stop. 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 Or stud. Stud. Out you go. Amach let. Amach let. Look at me. Look. Feich. Feich. Look at me. Féach orm. Féach orm. Bid. Labalet. Labalet. I hope you found these phrases useful and will manage to use them every day, or as often as possible. If you'd like to learn more useful Irish, why not try out www.bitesize.irish. And there you may find our course Irish for Beginners, which is a 1-month free course delivered by email and includes an ebook. We also offer a free taster course, which includes audio recordings and phonetics. The links to these courses are in the description box of this video. Slán go fóill.